gents, welcome back to another vlog as I am merging from the Lincoln Tunnel from New Jersey into New York City on this chilly, cold, wet day. Chilly, cold, wet day. Look at this madness. Alright, I'm fucking ready to split past everybody. These Jersey folks got me messed up. So anyway, it's Thanksgiving, or day after. Bro. So both of these tunnels can go to the left. Fuck! I fucked up real bad. Because last time I couldn't go to the left here. Man, I gotta fucking get around these guys because these drivers are all freaking stupid to say the least. Like, look at this shit. Look at this fucking gap. It's fucking people. Look at all that. Like, there's literally like 10 feet behind me, behind the car. Never want to be too safe, I guess, when you're fucking Alexis from Florida. Alright, so now we're gonna go across to Queensboro Bridge. Queensboro Bridge. Looks like there's a little bit of traffic up ahead, but we'll figure it out. Not too concerned now. Yep, I'm gonna make it all the way across to the east side as I'm running out of gas. Should be interesting. I'm surprised there's so many people, but also it's for Friday. This is literally just like a regular busy work day. I forgot about that part because I have the time off. I have the day off, but majority of people do not. Usually I'm here on a Sunday morning early. It's alright. It's all good. It's all good. Down. Let's see if I can go right here. Just like so. Bro. Fucking lost traction there. You see that? Oh, there's blue sky behind me. Lady, do not do that. Freaking people walking on green. What kind of Momo you gotta be? And there's blue sky back there, so that's nice. That's certainly a nice thing. Times Square to the left over here. Yeah, that pin lock is not pin locking the best, and I'm still running out of gas. It's all good. We'll figure it out. What street is this? 7th Avenue. So we're not even that far up yet, far across. But, you know, we'll take a look. Take a look and see. Hope somebody tries to cross. I'll scare the shit out of them. Come on, you bitch ass. There's a po-po right there, which means what? Nothing. Come on, give me that green light. Bryant Park. Tourism is in full swing around here. Like, there's nothing you can do. So you got to be extra careful with the extra tourism. There we go. Making it across. Oh shit, my phone died. Right. I forgot I wasn't charging my phone. Shit. Now I don't know anything. Oops. That's hilarious. It's alright. We know where we are. We know where we be. At least it's not raining anymore, right? Am I still recording? Am I even recording? Yeah, good. Yeah, no rain. No raino. But certainly a lot of bro. We're gonna make this light, next light. Come on, bro. Bro, fucking jerk off. Driving like a bitch. Driving like a slow ass bitch. Who does that? Who does that? Gonna have more traction than me, I bet. Maybe not. Who knows? All right. See, little Bentley. .45, 46, 47. I believe the 51st or something like that is where we'll find happiness. Not even cold, and we got a little bit of a piggity up ahead. A slower roll. This fucking guy. Just fucking move it, bro. I don't understand these folks, you know, driving fucking so slow. Speed limit is already 25. How could you possibly go any fucking slower? Lady, you suck. We're almost there. We're so close we can taste it. Just give me green light. I don't give a fuck if there's a cop behind me or not. This boy's going straight. Is this the street? That's not the bridge. bridge, is it? I think it is the bridge. It's not. There we go. There's the bridge. Because you could go on 59th over there, or you can go on this street over here. There we go. Man, this turn is sharp and wet. Beautiful. At least the day is turning out to be a beautiful day. Here we go. Send it. Brisbane Island. Birds flying and shit. I swear to God, people in New York City drive like freaking losers. Like, look at that car over there. No traffic ahead, and we're going 5 miles per hour. Because everybody hates themselves, including myself, I guess. It's a wet and cold day. Wet and cold day. After this, I have to go to the cemetery. It's a tough day. It's a tough one. Fucking dickhead. Look at these people in a fucking Pathfinder. Pathetic. Pathetic. Look at this motherfucker turning. Holy shit. What a pussy ass. Alright, we'll go this way. It's alright. Good. We should definitely get gas as soon as we can. I'll do that. Beautiful sunny day all of a sudden. I didn't even get that cold, so, or wet, so it's not really a total bust for me. What is fucking happening? Oh, now it's a beautiful day. That's fantastic. I like this. I like this. I don't give a fuck. Fudgical. I don't give a fudgical. Fudgical, budgical, budgical, fudgical. Here we're gonna fill up with some gas. Look at this. Shiny! Shiny! Can't see Shiza. But it is my turn, I believe. So we'll take a little right here. It is indeed my turn. Yes, sir. There we go. Come on, baby. What are you fucking doing? There we are. How to be a superstar. So if I just left me a comment saying my vlogs are boring, they are. They are. They are. Not doing any wheelies. Not even fucking flipping off any pigs. Gonna get some gas, call it a day. I'm excited to go for a little walk, grab a coffee, go for a stroll. It's gonna be exciting. I love a good walk. I'm so excited, you have no idea. Oh, and then I got a new ultra wide 34-inch monitor, which is another piece of fun toyage. Fun toyage. And we made it to the gas station. Oh, so nice. So nice. Is everybody going to the gas station? Could it be possible? Let's completely possible. I'll wait. Could have went on the sidewalk and, you know, savaged my way through, but nah, it's alright. These tacos are okay. See this taqueria and whatnot? It's not the best. It's not the worst, it's not the best. It's just there, you know. Surprised my bike is only 180 degrees. Because it's wet and cold. Fucking people, bro, I swear to God. You gonna go? Holy shit. These folks trying to go to the gas station. There we go. Alright, boys and girls, I'll talk to you later. This was it. Thank you so much for listening to me moan.